to share the GIF in your Instagram profile picture? Can you or cannot? Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show if you can post a GIF on your profile picture of Instagram or not. So before that, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Instagram on your device. For that, go on the Google Play Store or the App Store, and on the search bar you need to search for the Instagram right there. After you search for Instagram, if you see any update option available, then do update it. If you don't see it, then you can simply open your Instagram and log into your respective account. After you log in, you want to change your Instagram profile picture, which you can simply do by tapping on your profile on the downward side and tapping on the edit profile option. Now, when you go on edit profile picture option, you can simply edit the profile picture by adding any profile photos from your gallery, or you can simply click it at immediately as well. But you cannot add a GIF on your Instagram profile picture because Instagram does not support videos or just accept photos. It does not accept anything. So what you can do is you can take the screenshot of the GIF and you can post it from your gallery, but you cannot post a GIF on your Instagram profile picture. So yes, that's how it is. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.